दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करते हैं अच्छे ही होंगे। आज के कानून की जानकारी एपिसोड में बात करने जा रहे हैं द लीगल मैक्सिम इक्विटी फॉलोज द लॉ। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कंप्यूटर के स्क्रीन में, इक्विटी फॉलोज द लॉ ये लीगल मैक्सिम है। इंग्लिश में क्या कहता है? मैक्सिम Maxims were originally quoted in Latin, and many of the Latin phrases continue to be familiar to lawyers in the early 2000s. The maxims were not written down in an organized code or enacted by legislature, but they have been handed down through generations of judges. As a result, the wording of a maxim may vary from case to case. For example, it is a general rules to the equity does not add a party at fault. This maxim has been versely expressed. No one is entitled to the aid of a court of equity when that aid has become necessary through his or her own fault. Equity does not relieve a person of the consequence of his or her honor carelessness. A court of equity will not assist a person in extracting himself or herself from the circumstances that he or she has created. Equity will not grant relief for a self created hardship. The principles of equity and justice are universal in the common law courts of the world. They are flexible principles aimed at achieving justice for both sides in each case. No maxim is ever absolute, but all of principles must be weighed and filled to the fact of individual controversy. A rule does not apply when it would produce an unfair result. A party cannot assist that a technically be forced in his or her favor when it would create injustice, because equity will instead balance the interest of the different parties and the convenience of the public. दोस्तों, ये वीडियो इसलिए बना रहा हूँ कि दोस्तों ये वीडियो कैसा लगा। अच्छा लगा तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। नमस्कार।